Good morning and welcome back. In part 2, we studied about vegetation and wildlife of Greenland and its location. And today, in part 2, we study about the lifestyle of the people of Greenland. See, the whole land is covered with a thick sheet of ice. It is a part of Arctic Ocean, and everywhere ice slabs are there. It is a very cold region. The original inhabitants of Greenland are called Eskimos. In local time, they are called Inuits. They are very short and stout. They are very good hunters. Their most hunting weapon is one is arrow and a bow. This is a second weapon used by Eskimos, that is harpoon. It is looking like a spear. See, another one Eskimo is about to hunt a seal or a big fish waiting at the mouth of ice hole. Now dress. Thick leather boot. On the left side, the boot is made of the skin of seal. And on the right hand side, parka. It is a leather jacket with hood. People of Greenland, they are generally wearing two sets of trousers to escape from the biting cold of winter. Now kayak. Kayak is a small fishing boat of Eskimo. It is made of the skin of seal and with the bone of other big animals like walrus. The picture you have a close look. On the right hand side, man is on fishing. Sledge. They don't have any car, jeep or scooty or bicycle. They have a cart without wheels. Why? If there are wheels are there, then wheel will get stuck in the snow, can't move ahead. So the wheelless cart or the cart without a wheel, which are pulled by big dogs called huskies, are called sledges. This is the picture it is shown, the image of a sledge. Again, sledge, it is being pulled by a pack of dogs. Sometimes more than 10 dogs are tied on a long, big rope. They are pulled ahead. Then igloos. It is their home. They don't have any multi-storied building. The dome-shaped home of Eskimos is called igloo. It is made of bricks. On the top of igloo, there is a hole for smoke to escape. Sometimes due to snowfall, the hole will get blocked. So they have to clear it with a long stick. Now let us have inner view. This is the real inner view of an igloo. Igloos do not have a flat floor. The floor of the igloo is never a flat one like that of our cottage or our house. It has three steps, just like a three-tier system inside the train. A train has a three-tier system: lower berth, middle berth, upper berth. Like that, there are three steps are there inside a igloo. The middle one is for keeping fire. The upper tier or upper step is for sleeping. When they make fire in the middle tier or middle step, the heated air will rise up. So Eskimos like to live always in the upper terrace or upper tier. And the bottom one is, it is just like a pit where heavy cold air collects or heavy cold air falls. It is something like a drainage. That bottom tier is for keeping or for collecting cold air. Middle one for making fire. It is a fireplace. Upper one where Eskimos live. On the right hand see one Eskimo is sitting or he is about to sleep. The floor of the bed, their bed is also made of ice, but the floor is paved with the skin of seal. Where they sleep in the floor is with paved with the skin or spread with the skin of seal. On the top of that, they sleep with heavy trousers, heavy clothes. Now, modern life. It is, we have discussed about the Eskimos in the ancient period. Now, the condition has changed due to the interference of Denmark government. They are giving all sorts of comforts to the people of Greenland or the Eskimos. Their life is changing. Many people from different countries of Europe are migrated or migrating to Greenland. See a group. There are now they plant different types of trees. The school life, children got admission in the nursery. First day in the nursery class. Now school life on the left hand side, their big school, right hand side. Maybe children must be waiting for their parents, or it may be an important occasion like our own, like our Independence Day or Republic Day. They are holding their national flag. Every child is having flag. The roof of the house sloping so the snow can slide down easily. Another picture. Children having picnic. Exams over, enjoying. How you enjoy, same way. Children in Greenland also enjoy by singing, playing. Now, senior students, it may be annual day prize distribution ceremony, or class 12th is pass out. Now economy. What do they export? What are the things sent from Greenland to another countries? That is only one item, fish and fish products like cod liver oil. Then imports. What do they bring to Greenland from another countries? Medicines, machinery parts, machines, vegetables and fruits. Now they don't have only sledges. Now sledges are not pulled by huskies. They are pulled by motor. That is called skidos. This is the capital of Greenland, Nuuk. Very beautiful city. Long, long ago, when Eric discovered Greenland in 980 AD. So many years ago. That time there were only igloos. Now beautiful multicolored cities, multicolored buildings are there in the city. But background is a icy mountains. The Nuuk, another view. Beautiful capital of Greenland. Greenland is very beautiful to see, but for us, the life is not possible. We can't enjoy. The life of igloo is very wonderful. Igloo is also called ice house. Such a house, ice houses are available in Manali in India. If you like to have an experience of life in an igloo, have a visit to Manali. There are some hotels are there providing igloo experience or ice houses. Then points to remember. Eskimos are the original inhabitants of Greenland. Their home is known as igloo. Jacket with a hood made of fur is called a parka. Motorized sledge is called a skidoo. Then, if the sledge is pulled by huskies, then it is called, what is the name? The sledges, that is called a sledge. Sledge is, but if the sledge is pulled by a motor machine, that is called a skidoos. Their most important hunting, their most important economy active hunting weapon is harpoon. Their most important hunting weapon is a harpoon, something looking like a spear. Extra question, what is a harpoon? What is the capital of Greenland? What is a parka? Which animal skin is used for making kayak or a small boat? Okay, thank you very much. This is the end of this chapter called Greenland, cold land. Cold place.